Good morning, student. Continuing my video of class 9 maths. Today we will discuss on the first chapter topic real number and their decimal expansion. Real numbers and their decimal expansion. Their decimal expansion. Now, as we know, real number are of two types. One, rational numbers, and second, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Now, decimal expansion of rational numbers. Rational numbers. There are two types of decimal expansion of rational number. One is terminating, and second is non-terminating and recurring. For example, let we are taking a rational number here 3/4. Now if we express 3/4, then what happens? We are pointing here 0. Now we are looking here, the term is completely terminated. So such type of decimal expansion, the decimal expansion of 3/4 is 0.75. So such type of decimal expansion where the number is finally terminated, when numerator is finally terminated, such type of decimal expansion is called terminating decimal expansion. Second, we are looking here 2/3. If we are dividing here, so we are looking at this process is going continuous. So we are marking a recurring sign here. Now, when the same number is repeating again and again and again, then such type of decimal expansion of rational number is called non-terminating and recurring. Now, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers has only one type of decimal expansion. Only one type, non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-repeating or non-recurring. Both are the same thing. For example, 1.01, then 001, then 0001. Now we are showing here 1 repeat after 1 0, but here repeat 1 after 2 zeros, here 1 repeat after 3 zeros, after then 1 repeat maybe after 4 zeros, and so on. So such type of decimal expansion in which a particular digit is not repeat after a particular arrangement or a particular term, then such type of decimal expansion is called non-terminating and non-recurring. Such type of decimal expansion occurring only for irrational numbers. Now, one thing we have to clear here. After learning this property, we have to solve the exercise 1.3 here. Exercise 1.3 here, we have to look here. The very first question of this exercise is, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each of them has. The first question is 36/100. Now if we represent it in the form of decimal, the result will be 0.636. So this is this type of decimal expansion, terminating decimal expansion. Now look at the second one. 1 by 11. Here we have to solve it. Keep a 0 here, but it will not divide. Put a 0 here. 100. 11 9 ja 99. Again what remains here? 1 0. Again put a 0 here. 9. Again 99. So this process will be continued. So we can write 1 by 11 is equal to 0.09. And after each two digit, the digits are reversing its position. So we have to mark a reckoning sign here. Now here the decimal expansion is just a minute, terminating, non-terminating and recurring. Here the decimal expansion is non-terminating and recurring. Now in question number 2, here it is given that the 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 over recurring. Now it is asking what is the value of, find the value of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 without dividing the long division method. So 1 by 7 is equal to this value. Now what is the value of 2 by 7? So 2 by 7 we can also write like this, 2 into 1 by 7. Now 2 into what is the value of 1 by 7? The value of 1 by 7 is here 0.142857. Now each term we have to multiply with 2. 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10, 1 11, 2 8 ja 16, 1 17, 2 2 ja 4 1 5, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 1 ja 2. So the value of, and again mark here recurring sign. So value of 2 by 7 is 0.285714 over recurring. Similarly 3 by 7 equals to 3 into 1 by 7. As we know the value of 1 by 7 is equal to 0 decimal under recurring 142857. Now multiplying the terms here. 3 7 is 21 in the hand, 2 3 5 is 15 and 2 17, 3 8 is 24 and 1 25. 3 2 is 6 and 2 8, 3 4 is 12 and 3 1 is 3 1 4. Now put a decimal here. So the value of 3 by 7 is equal to 0.428571. Similarly we can find out the value of 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Now we have to make it clean. In question number 3, we have to express some decimal expansion in the form of 6 p by q. The very first question is here 0.6 over recurring. Now we can write 0.6 over recurring like 6 6 6 6 and so on. Let it value this x and let it equation first. We have to write here let x equals to 0.666. Now we are multiplying. We have to multiply equation 1 with 10. Multiply equation 1 with 10. Now we are multiplying when equation 1 with 10. 10 into x, 10x. And when we are multiplying this decimal expansion with 10, then one digit comes before the decimal. So here 6 decimal 6 6. Now we have to look both the equations here. We are continuing this multiply till that time when the digits after both decimals become similar. Means if we digits after decimal in the both equations, till this time we have to make equation when the digits after decimal here and the digits after decimal here both at the places become 0. Now we are looking after decimal only 6 are here and after decimal here only 6 are here. So we subtract if the both of the equation we will get 0 here. So we have to write here subtract equation 1 and 2. 10x equals to 6 decimal 666 and x equals to 0 decimal 666. So decimal here 0 6 10 minus x 9x. Therefore x equals to 6 by 9. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Therefore x equals to 2 by 3. Therefore 0.6 over recurring is equal to 2 by 3. Similarly, you can solve second and third of this question. If you have any problem, then comment it in my comment box. Thank you for watching.